to Nicaragua. I'm heading now just to go get some lunch. It's a little bit overcast today, which is really nice. So far, I'm really loving San Juan Del Sur. I still have a few more weeks here, so we'll see how I feel by the end. But everyone here is just so friendly. The food is great. There's actually a lot more activities to do than I thought there were going to be. So overall, pretty happy. Let's see what we get up to this week. For lunch, I went to Old Hog Cafe. I got this mocha smoothie and this delicious cream cheese bagel. And then because it gets so warm in the afternoons, I usually don't do a whole lot. Usually just kind of hang out, do a little bit of computer work until it's time to catch the sunsets. And the colors do change from this like yellow orange to this purple pink. And then on Tuesday nights, our house always does a potluck dinner. Tonight we were grilling fish and veggies. And then after we were done eating, we just cleaned up, enjoyed the night, and headed to bed. Second day surfing. Today we're at Playa Madera. This is a really popular beach for surfing, and there's a lot more like huts and restaurants and things hanging out over here too. So I'm excited. There's a group over here getting a lesson. We've got our group over here getting ready. It's gonna be another great day surfing at the beach in Nicaragua. If you've ever wanted to learn how to surf, honestly, this is such a great place to do it. So if you have the opportunity, pick a place like something like this. Every Wednesday, we have someone cook lunch and dinner for us. This week, they cooked whole fish, which I had always been afraid of eating it this way before, so she had to give us a little lesson on cutting it. But basically, you just cut from the back and then pull up, and you'll get meat and not the bones. Traveling is always an opportunity to learn something new. It's a nice, beautiful morning here in San Juan Del Sur, and I'm about to go to a yoga class. We found a yoga studio in town. I bought like a 5-class package for the month, which is perfect. So I'm gonna go do that this morning. I'm gonna meet a friend for lunch, and then today we're going on a sloth tour. Yes, a tour just to go see some sloths. So it's actually really interesting. I feel like San Juan Del Sur, even though it's really small, there's more activities to do here than I expected. Obviously you have the surfing, you have the boats. My friend is going spearfishing this weekend. There's zip lining, there's horseback riding on the beach, which I'm hoping to do in this next week as well. I don't know, there's just like all sorts of like different things you can actually do. They're like hosting different events, like on Sunday, Kittens and Brunch it's like a fundraiser for like a local animal shelter. Definitely like plenty of things to do here. The sloth tour was absolutely perfect. We didn't even care that we got rained on at the end. We made it home in time to catch the sunset, got ready, and headed out to the local brewery. They brew their beer right on site, so of course we got a flight so we could taste as many options as possible, as well as grabbing dinner. Afterwards, we headed to Ding Repair Cafe for skate night. This is the place to be on Thursday nights. There's always something going on here on Thursdays, and it's a good mix of tourists and locals hanging out and mingling. First time coming to the beach on a weekend, and it is packed today, and apparently some people have already left, but I'm here doing surfing lesson numero 3. I'm excited for it. Great way to finish out my week here in Nicaragua. I got 2 weeks left, 2 weeks down, 2 weeks left. 3rd surfing lesson. Let's go.